Imagine a splendor that augments the earthly expressions and heavenly experiences. A situate where art is life and life is art. A modern-day Gurukul, which demonstrates the grace of highly bona fide art form Natya. It is an aspiration that reveals the vast and rich world of Indian heritage, and we call it Artha. Elements of Art and Heritage Academy is a modern-day discovery of the traditional Gurukul by an aficionado of the art herself, Miss Rupa Ravindran. The in-house boutique of Artha keeps you busy with a relook of your personality in saris, jewelry and much more. The search for a truly Indian way of teaching and learning Indian dance forms led Rupa Ravindran to found Artha. Rupa Ravindran began formally training in Kathak at the age of 13. Always being surrounded by music and dance, and her elder sister Deepa Sangeet being a Bharatanatyam dancer too of the Kalakshetra, Rupa, stressed with Kathak, turned to become a lifelong passion. Her choreography, which has taken her to countries all around the world, is an inspired blend of traditional Kathak, contemporary dance and yoga. Rupa is also an actress, having worked in films as a child artist, as well as a lead actress in art films.
Hey! ಹೆದರ್ಬಿಟ್ಯಾ? ರಾತ್ರಿ ಇಡೀ ನಿಂದೇ ಕನ್ಸು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನ್ ನೋಡಕ್ ಬಂದೆ.
ಆ ತಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶ್ರಾವಣ 16 ಕಳಿಯೋ ತನಕ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಒಂದಾಗಬಾರ್ದಂತೆ.
Rupa Ravindran is a current brand ambassador of Karnataka Soaps and Detergents Limited, KSDL.
ಭಕ್ತಿಯ ಭಾವ ಬೇರೆ, ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವ ಧೂಪ ಮತ್ತು ಅಗರಬತ್ತಿ ಒಂದೇ, ಮೈಸೂರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್.
She has worked with corporates, educational institutes and NGOs to establish the importance of art and its forms for the present and future generations. Dance is an eternal power that gives a physical and mental stability. Artha's social outreach program, Satkriya, has extended the joy of dancing to the less fortunate. Rupa and the Artha team have been organizing educational programs for the visually and physically challenged and underprivileged children. They've also staged many inspiring performances at various schools and educational institutes, the proceeds of which are always utilized to build a better future for the needy children. Shikshana is yet another signature program of Artha, wherein they bring the art forms to the schools and make it a part of the curriculum. Children get the exposure of mythology, festivals, traditional practices, art and architecture, history, contemporary social issues and much more, which in turn promotes an overall sense of positivity, creativity, harmony and confidence in the children. Corporate houses are invited to partner with Artha either through workshops, shows and training programs designed by the Artha team exclusively for corporates, or by sponsoring the events and programs of Artha, which will be spread across the calendar year. Experiencing the thrill of learning fine arts in tune with nature is the uniqueness of Artha. As we take the baby steps towards this wonderful journey of sanctity, we invite you to be a part of this realization, to dream.